Welcome to Learning English Vocabulary. Here we are going to start lesson 19. I hope you are learning the words very fastly and quickly because ये सबसे आसान मेथड है कि आप जब भी फ्री हो अपने फ्री टाइम में बैठकर जस्ट एक वीडियो से आप लफ्ज़ों को बोलना भी सीख रहे हैं, उनके स्पेलिंग्स, उनकी रीडिंग, उनके इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स भी एंड उर्दू मीनिंग्स भी। तो 5 मिनट के अंदर आपको ये फ्री में कंप्लीट पैकेज कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है, इसलिए आप इसे ज़रूर अवेल करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करें। So let's start our words today. The first word is equestrian. Equestrian means skilled horseman and riding and shah sawar. Next word is errand. Errand means short journey to take message and task and assignment. मकसद या किसी ख़ास काम से सफ़र। The next word is erratic. Erratic means irregular in behavior or opinion and unpredictable. गैर यकीनी हरकत। Erroneous. Erroneous means incorrect, mistaken and गलत। Next word is evanescent. Evanescent means quickly fading, vanishing, जल्दी मुरझा जाने वाला। Next is evolve. Evolve means develop gradually and naturally. Naturally grow up होना and नशोनुमा पाना। Excavate. Excavate means taken out by digging, or simply you can say dig out means खोदना। Excision. Excision means cutting out of and surgical removal. Can't chant and especially used in surgical term. Exhilarate. Exhilarate means fill with high spirit, excite, thrill, हौसला अफजाई। Exhort. Exhort means encourage and incite by argument, नसीहत करना। Expatiate. Expatiate means speak or write at length, मुफस्सल लिखना or writing in detail। Expedite. Expedite means speed up and hurry and जल्दी करना। Extinguish. Extinguish means put out, or second meaning is end and the third one is finish off. You can use finish off as a synonym too. That means बुझाना. Next is extirpate. Extirpate means pull up by the roots, weed out and eradicate. जड़ से उखाड़ना। Extrinsic. Extrinsic means outside, external, exterior, खारजी। Next word is exuberant. Exuberant means abounding, full of energy, and third meaning is cheerful, mala mal। Exude. Exude means discharge and radiate, पसीना निकलना। I hope you understood the words very clearly. If you like the video, please share it because I'm coming again soon with a very interesting topic. So keep watching the videos, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe it. I wish you a successful life ahead, especially to all viewers and subscribers. Take a very good care of you. Goodbye.